Welcome to another video on my driving robot discovery made of fischertechnik based on the TXT controller. Last time I was trying to get sound working in any circumstance, and unfortunately that didn't happen quite as well as I had hoped. So I want to continue with that now, and the idea is first to run the demo again, which works, then my own, and I have to keep in mind to lift the robot a bit so it doesn't run away. And then this happens. Absolutely nothing at all. Well, I don't know what is happening, but this is not what I intended. Well, something happens. And let me here go into the code. Because it does absolutely say, okay, there is contact, and yes, pressing contact 2 is which by the way is this one. This is contact 2, this is contact 1. And looking at all this says, right, there is no contact 2 in this one, in this code, but it says print contact 1. Well, that is happening. Also print sound is also happening. So you would say, alright, that means it works, but it doesn't, because it doesn't give a sound. Why does this happen? I don't know. I want to be here. So let's try again. This time it should not print sound but just play sound. And I can just as well move this here. So once again, lifting it. Enter. That's not what I want. Alright. So what is the difference? Alright. Time to once again take the code. While not motor has finished, identical. This is no longer necessary. This is no longer necessary. This I disabled because I don't want to interfere with ultrasound. So this goes out as well. Then this, not necessary for now. Stop. Stop. Well, I could do that, but then it says if text sound finished, play something. So what if I just include the motors here? Shouldn't make any sense, but who knows. Alright, both stop. No, now it's both stop. Then if text sound finished, then play sound. So let's try. Alright. Once again. No, not simple demo, this one. Alright, still something not quite okay. So I need a closer look what's happening, and more important, why. So let's take a closer look at the code. They both say import sys and import ft variable pi, so that's alright. The only difference here, no, there is no difference. This is exactly the same, and that is logical because it's exactly a copy. Well, it used to be a copy. Oh wait, this is a difference because I want it to do with context state. Does that make a difference? What if I make that a difference indeed? And put this here. Then make here a while, make here an if, let this be, no, 3, although this doesn't matter. So what if? That's a good question. So while if, let's see whatever happens. This one. So once again, run. It says contact 1. Well, that's alright. I don't hear a sound. Why? It says contact. That's alright. Should be. And then this being done, this being done. If text sound finished. Play sound. But why is this going different than anything else? Alright, let me include ultrasound again. Where is my cursor? Here is my cursor. Nope. And then here. Let this be, and then this one. What about now? So lifting the robot again, running, print contact 11, print D. If D smaller than 10, okay, I need it closer. Alright, next. Right, contact. No. Contact. 4, network error. So why doesn't it work? Too close? Could be. Another attempt. Something is not quite right. So once again, what is the difference? Except the TXT update, which is not longer necessary. There is one while that I added, but that is working fine. So what's the difference? Why doesn't it work the way I do? Thread 1. Well, yeah, but that should be then one while. Is that really the only way? Is that really the only thing? How many whiles are here? 1. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright. Let's see whatever this is going to bring, if anything. I may also comment out these because of the known motor. Let's see. Of course, now there won't be a motor running, but there will be a sensor touched, this one. So let's see how this works out. Contact 1, 11. No sound. No. I want it to run. Oh, come on. Run. So, well, this is being done. What don't I understand then? There's a while. There's 2 ifs. I have 3. Alright, so what? Alright, let me take out this one. That means I can take out this one. And this one. All 3 Ds. Then this one is out, this one is out, this one should go here. And this one should go here. So only 2 ifs. One while, 2 ifs. Exactly the same structure. So let's once again go, and it should print contact, and that's all. Or print sound. Well, let's do print contact first. So there we go. I am missing something. Right. That means this one as well. Next. Conclusion, it says there is contact, but it refuses to do any sound. Let me take it completely the same. 3, 2, 1. Or no. 3, 1. 3, 1. Exactly the same now. Whatever. I don't get it. There's no threading error anymore. Yeah, there is. It's thread 1. A threading error. But why? It's still the question what is going wrong. And looking at this code and looking once again here it says a positive while and here it says a negative while. So what if I make this not is 1? I can also say, alright, it may be true, so while not, like this, and if contact state is true. What if? So let's see whatever this brings. Not a clue, but we can only try to find out. Contact 1. But that's not what I'm looking for. Exactly the same. No sound at all. And that's very strange, I think. Alright, let's go with this then. No, I mean running it. That runs without any doubt. It says 12 and it goes. So let me then include the rest again. Then this one go here if it doesn't matter at all. And just an if extra, a while not, no other while, what else can go wrong? Well, a lot can go wrong, of course, that has been proven by now, but then again. And it says sound and doesn't do a thing. How about that? No sound this time. Just print D and no sound. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. So this is worse now. So whatever it is doing, whenever I press this, there's something definitely going wrong. Right, I have to be here. Running. Press. What is the non-type object? Oh, wait a minute, there was something with it. Wait, yes, there was something with it. Let me take a look in my own code, right in the end. A very long code. Yes, and there was something. Oh wait, a text data begin, text data end. That doesn't occur here. And TXT stop online is something. Alright, let me add those lines. No guarantee. So yeah, that's what I have to do now. So putting in TXT sync data begin and here TXT sync data end. That one thing, and then say what's wrong. Not getting any contact. Why? Alright, this works. I have lost contact with a terminal. Not good. Now it says Q is not implemented, but I is. Now we're talking again. TXT. Stop online. That's it. All right, and here I have to wait time.sleep for 0.1 second. And time.sleep for, let's keep it 1/10 of a second. So let's see whatever that brings. Lifting it, doing it. What is this? Time.sleep not defined. I'm using it here as well. Import time, of course. Sync data end. Oh yeah, that's a comma. And that's once again a problem with an interpreted language. You only find a failure when a certain part is actually being dealt with, and not sooner. So now by stop online I have actually ended quite a few of those problems, but let me then shorten the distance between the tripod of the camera and the sonar. It says sound, but it doesn't give sound. Alright, so conclusion is that by adding sync data, well, yeah, by adding sync data, time sleeping and stop online, all these messages have been disabled, have been eliminated, but it still doesn't work with sound. And that's not correct. That's really a problem, which I don't get. Anyway, it's time to say goodbye for this episode. Thank you for watching. if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you don't mind, please follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Also donate to my PayPal account to support my website and my videos. Please visit my website for more information. Also to see my other projects, a lot of videos and pictures. And this is to be continued. Bye bye.